What's up guys, welcome back to the London car scene, welcome back to the A45. If you're new to the channel, then this channel is all about the A45, modifying the A45, as well as the car scene in London. So in today's video, we're going to head down to Deutsch in Milton Keynes. We're going to have a little exhaust modification. We're having the resonator removed from the exhaust. Hopefully that will give this car a little bit of more of a crackle and a pop from the downshift and the upshift. I'm not expecting much more noise driving wise, but I'm hoping that it will release the exhaust a little bit and give it that extra crackle and pop. This will only be a temporary modification. In the future I'm looking to get the exhaust totally redone. I'm looking at the Armatrix system. Obviously that's a lot of money. I think it's about $3.5 grand. So we're not getting that now. It's going to be later on, once I've done what I want to do with this car. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get started. So the exhaust is done. I don't know if you can hear it or if it's picking it up on there. I've changed the mic on my GoPro, so hopefully you can hear it a bit better. It is really loud. It is a lot louder than what I was expecting it to be. In fact, it is louder just than normal, but it's also like the crackle and pops are so much louder now. The guys at Deutsch were absolutely amazing. I'd definitely be going back there again. They were so nice and they so good to talk to. So 100% recommend going down there. If you want anything done to your car, give them a shout. They're really nice guys. Didn't take them long to do it. In fact, I was there for about an hour. Yeah, I was there for about an hour. Normally when you're hanging about a garage, you normally get that sort of feeling of like you're hanging around sort of thing, but you didn't get any of that there. They were really friendly, 100%. So if you're in the area or you fancy having something done to your car, then head down to Deutsch Milton Keynes. I'll put the link to the page in my description. Yeah, head to them, 100%, definitely, without a doubt. I'll be going back there to get other stuff done to my car. Yeah, so let's cut to a little clips now of how this car sounds. In fact, we're going to go onto the carriageway now on the way home. So let's cut to that and let's see how much you can hear it when we put this car down under a little bit of pressure. Oh my god. It sounds like that inside the car. Imagine what it sounds like outside. Downshifts. Oh my god. Right, okay, so we're heading onto the carriageway now. Let's see what it sounds like as we pull on to the A45 AMGs. So downshift. Oh, I even popped that in. Didn't even downshift. Right, downshift. Ready and in the day. Go. I think we're gonna have to head to some tunnels. I think we're gonna have to do it. Should we? Should we? Let's do it. Let's go to Hatfield and let's go to that massive tunnel. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. Imagine what it sounds like now. I'm definitely going to get the Armatrix system. Imagine how that will sound. That will sound mental. Oh my god. Guys, if you haven't done this to your A45, definitely get the Resonator delete. I don't think it comes across in videos like how it sounds compared to how it used to sound. So definitely, because I was a bit like, oh, I don't know if it'll make much difference, but definitely 100% get it done. Right, let's head to some tunnels. Let's see how it sounds in there. So coming up to Hatfield Tunnel now. Sometimes it's a bit busy in there and you can't really hear from previous experience, but I'm going to try to keep it in a low gear. Slow it down a bit as we get towards the tunnel, drop a gear and then floor it. Let's go. Heard that last one as we came out the tunnel. Oh my god, that sounded good. Right guys, once again thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below what you want to see happen to the A45 and don't forget to subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching.